Formula One is the absolute pinnacle of motorsport, a breathtaking blend of speed, cutting-edge technology, and raw human drama. It's where the world's most advanced machines meet the world's most talented drivers, all striving for perfection. Watching an F1 car in action is witnessing the very edge of possibility on four wheels. The acceleration, the grip, the sound. It's a symphony of engineering and courage. The spectacle, the deafening noise, the sheer intensity. It's absolutely addictive. Every race is a sensory overload that leaves fans wanting more. But F1 is more than just racing. It's a global obsession that unites millions of fans from every corner of the world, transcending language and culture. 20 of the world's best drivers battle for glory, pushing themselves and their machines to the absolute limit, lap after lap, race after race. Every race is a high-stakes chess match at 200 miles per hour where strategy, split-second decisions, and nerves of steel make all the difference. Rivalries, legends, and rising stars create a season-long saga that keeps fans on the edge of their seats, year after year. The politics, the personalities, and the relentless pressure make the story off the track just as thrilling as the racing itself. Iconic locations like Monaco and Abu Dhabi add glamour, history, and prestige, turning every race weekend into a global event. The paddock buzzes with celebrities, racing royalty, and influential figures, all drawn to the unique magic of Formula One. F1 is where precision engineering meets breathtaking bravery, where every detail matters and every second counts. It's an unforgettable experience that keeps millions hooked, race after race, season after season, making Formula One truly more than just racing. Formula One is a team sport at its core, where every member plays a crucial role in the pursuit of victory. From the engineers and mechanics to the strategists and pit crew, success depends on seamless teamwork and coordination. When a team wins, it's a celebration of hundreds of people working together, each contributing their expertise and passion. There are 10 teams on the grid, each fielding 2 cars. Legendary names like Ferrari, Mercedes, and Red Bull design and build their own machines, pushing the limits of technology and innovation. The drivers are elite athletes, enduring punishing G-forces and making split-second decisions at speeds exceeding 220 miles per hour. Their reflexes and focus are second to none. Legendary tracks like Spa-Francorchamps and the Monaco Grand Prix test their skill, bravery, and nerve, demanding absolute precision on every lap. Behind every driver is a massive support crew, engineers, mechanics, and strategists constantly analyzing data and making real-time decisions to gain every possible advantage. Constant radio contact with race engineers keeps drivers informed, focused, and ready to adapt to changing conditions on track. Trust between driver and team is everything. Without it, victory is impossible. The car and driver must perform as one, responding to each other in perfect harmony. Together, they chase perfection on the world's toughest circuits, always striving for that extra edge that makes champions. Each Grand Prix weekend unfolds over 3 days. Friday's practice sessions let teams fine-tune setups and gather crucial data. Drivers learn the track, test tires, and push the limits. Saturday brings qualifying, a 3-part shootout for pole position. Q1 and Q2 eliminate the slowest drivers, leaving the top 10 to battle in Q3. Pole position means a clear track and a huge advantage for Sunday. Qualifying is pure speed, drivers separated by fractions of a second. Every lap, every adjustment, is about finding the smallest edge. The tension is electric as teams and fans watch the drama unfold. It all sets the stage for race day. Sunday is race day, the climax of the weekend, when anticipation and excitement reach their peak. Fans from all over the world gather, filling the grandstands with energy and color, ready to witness the spectacle unfold. The grid is set, tension is high, and when the lights go out, chaos erupts. Drivers' hearts pound as engines roar to life, and the world holds its breath for those crucial opening seconds. The start is critical, with 20 cars fighting for position into the first corner. Every driver pushes to gain an advantage, knowing that a single mistake can end their race before it truly begins. Races last about 90 minutes, demanding not just raw speed, but also incredible endurance and razor-sharp strategy. Drivers must stay focused, lap after lap as they battle both rivals and fatigue. Pit stops are lightning fast, with crews changing tires in under 3 seconds. Precision teamwork is essential, as even a tiny delay can cost valuable positions on track. Tire choice and timing can make or break a race. Teams must predict changing conditions and adapt quickly, balancing speed with durability to find the perfect strategy. Teams react to rivals, adjusting strategies on the fly. Engineers and strategists analyze data in real time, making split-second decisions that can turn the tide of the race. Points are awarded to the top 10 finishers, fueling 2 championships, drivers, and constructors. Every finish counts, and every celebration is hard-earned after a grueling contest. Every point matters in the season-long battle for the title. The difference between victory and defeat can be just a single overtaking move, or a perfectly timed pit stop. The drama lasts until the final lap of the final race, where legends are made and history is written in the blink of an eye. Formula One's legacy stretches back to 1950, shaped by legends like Senna and Schumacher. Rivalries and history give the sport its soul. F1 is a laboratory for innovation, hybrid engines, advanced aerodynamics, and tech that shapes road cars. The sport is pushing for sustainability, aiming for net zero carbon by 2030, and introducing sustainable fuels. F1 proves high performance and responsibility can coexist. The cars, the technology, and the competition never stand still. It's a blend of human skill, engineering genius, and relentless strategy. The spectacle, drama, and rivalries keep fans coming back. Formula One truly is the greatest show on Earth.